Hi. Welcome to EMR IP Module training. At the end of the training, you will be able to know how to use this module specifically for inpatients. Let's get started. Look for this icon in your desktop. It will be named as EMR or Mediware. Click the icon to open the application. Enter your username and password given to you by IT department. Then choose the facility and login. Please note that when you are using Mediware for the first time, it will prompt you to change your password. Please update your password, but it should not be more than 10 characters. There is an option to set the module as default. Let's open now the EMR module. Then click Inpatients. It will show you the list of admitted patients in the facility you have chosen. Let us open for a dummy patient. Progress Notes Summary will appear first when opening a file of patient. On the left pane, it will show you here the forms and an option to pin the pane. Right pane shows the patient demographics and can be pinned. This pin button will allow the page not to collapse every time you open forms or enter data. I will teach you how to enter the diagnosis of the patient. Enter the diagnosis. If you know the CPT code, you can type it on the next field. Choose the level if principal or secondary. Select the type. Make sure to select the onset date. And then, tick to add the diagnosis. There is an option to add the diagnosis as favorites. Click the icon to add. Enter another diagnosis if it has more than one. Once all done, click to save to record the data. Now, let's move on how to enter if patient has allergies. Allergies can be of any type. First, untick no known allergies. If the patient has drug allergies, enter it here. Enter the generic or brand name, reaction, severity, and you can add remarks too. Then tick the mark to add the drug allergy. You can add multiple drug allergies. Then, for other allergies, you can enter here. It might be food allergy, pet, plant, pollen, and so on. You can choose the type of allergy, then fill the mandatory fields and tick to add. Enter another type if there are multiple allergies. Then finally, save to record the data. Now, let's create investigation request for the patient. Tick Show All to display all procedures. If this is unticked, it will show only the list that you have added as favorites. Search procedure by CPT code or procedure name or even the alias name. Double-click the procedure to be added on the list. Click this icon to add procedure as favorites. Add another if there is multiple procedures. Doctors can change to future date, add remarks and set to a high or low priority. Then click Save to record the request. Now, how do we write prescription for the patient? Select prescription and add the medicine. You can search the generic or the medicine name and fill the mandatory fields. Click the tick mark to add the medicine. Then, click Save to record the data. If there is a scanned file to be attached in the patient file, go to File Attachments. It will display all the folders where you can save the file. Choose the attachment type and then click this New button. Now, select the category folder where you want to save the file. Locate the file if you have already saved it on your computer. Another option is to scan and attach the file from the scanner. Select the document date and put any remarks or description. Click Save to attach the file. Now, let me show you how to search for a patient file. Close this screen, then click Patient Search. This enables you to view patient's medical history. Doctors can search by patient file number, mobile, patient name, Emirates ID, and so on. If you know the patient file number, enter it here. You can press Enter or click the Search button. Then, click A Medical Record. Now, you can view the patient's medical history. That ends our training. Thank you for listening and we hope you have learned something.